Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video in this channel, Order Flow with Iran. Thank you so much for your time choosing to watch this video here on YouTube. And as you can see on the title, this is an introduction to Order Flow Footprint. And I'll be explaining what is footprint and how does it work. So my name is Ethan, I'm 20 years old, I've been trading Order Flow Footprint for roughly 4 years now. So I started 16-year-old and I'm profitable right now and I can safely make my own money, which can be more than enough for me. And I also want to help people learn how footprint work exactly, because this is a huge and massive world that not everyone knows about. So let's get started. And maybe in the next, or maybe in the third video in my channel, I'll be explaining more and more how did I start trading, and I'll be showing you results and what I've been doing for the past few years and what took me to reach this level. So first, we going to we'll start with our video with analyzing what is order flow. So, order flow is basically the study of real-time buying and selling. You're analyzing exactly what's happening in the market instead of focusing on chart and price action. The order flow focuses on who's buying, who's selling, and who is actually controlling the market. And this provides a deeper understanding of market behavior, not just where price moves, but why it moves. And this gives you a greater insight about what's actually happening in the market. You're not just trading something that happened in the past. So, for example, if you're trading on charts or whatever, you'll be thinking, oh, so at this point this happened, so maybe it would happen again. So, what's really shaping the market and what's really moving the market? It's basically who's buying and who's selling. If you go to a shop or whatever, if not too many people are interested in a special product, then the price is going down. But if everyone wants to buy it, then the price will simply go up. And this is simply how the market works. In every market in the world, this is how it works. And it's the same thing in stocks. So, as I said, it provides a deeper understanding of market behavior, which is very important. I want you guys to remember this term, because it's gonna be the most important thing you'll be analyzing. You're not going to analyze price action anymore. You'll be analyzing the market behavior. Why is the market going up? Why is it going down? Why is it slowing? And why is it so volatile? And I'll be showing you exactly everything step by step throughout my videos. So you'll be thinking this is gibberish. You see so many characters, so many numbers, so many colors. Well, trust me, it's going to be so easy for you in days. So just keep focused on my videos. I'll be posting 2 to 3 videos each day, and please do make sure to watch them so you can understand what's happening. So, by analyzing order flow through tools like footprint charts, traders can simply identify shifts in supply and demand, confirm market turning points, and gain insight into market psychology. To briefly explain what does order flow do, it's analyzing supply and demand in the market. Think of it economics 101. If many people want to sell a special product or whatever, as I said before, if you want to buy, then the price will go down, and it's vice versa. And that's simply what we do in order flow analysis. We're simply analyzing the supply with the demand, combining it with the price, and then we have a greater insight on who's going to buy, who's going to sell, and that's how you can be in the perfect condition with the market behavior. So, on this channel, you will learn how to read footprint order flow to truly understand what is happening behind price. Instead of relying on indicators or guessing market direction, we focus on real buyer and seller activity by analyzing volume traded at the bid and ask. If you see any technical words that you don't understand, please do ask me in the comment section, or I'll be explaining everything. This is just an initiary. I'll be just giving you a small insight about order flow. Then we're going to go deeper and deeper, and you'll understand everything by a month or two. So in this channel, you'll be learning how to identify shifts in supply and demand, confirm market tops and bottoms as they form, and develop a trading approach centered around low risk, high reward, stress-free opportunities. The goal is simple: stop chasing random moves and start trading with clarity, discipline, and a deeper understanding of market behavior. So, what's the difference between order flow and your traditional technical analysis? Here you can see kind of the same movement happening around here, but there's a big difference. Here I exactly know why did the market go down, then it went up. But here we're just trying to improve that. Oh yeah, we had this prior downtrend and then this random exhaustion candlestick. I don't really understand why did it happen. Then you can see the market going up here. It's buy confirmation, buy above the open of the candlestick on the left of the hammer. So what the hell is a hammer and what the hell is an exhaustion candlestick? These are all patterns that don't really cover everything related to the market behavior. But when you go to order flow, I don't want to get too deep here, but I see a lot of patterns, a lot of setups that can simply tell me here when at this level that I should buy. But it's not the same thing here. What's gonna tell me to buy after I see this hammer or this exhaustion candlestick or however they call it in their market? So order flow is not simply another form of technical analysis. While traditional technical analysis studies price charts, assuming current prices reflect all market information, order flow provides a dynamic and real-time view of market activity, showing who is in control based on actual transactions as they're occurring. So unlike standard charts, it captures the evolving balance of supply and demand, and it reflects trader behavior instantly. So, what are the key elements of order flow? The primary components of order flow are simply price, the traded bid volume, and the traded ask volume. Combine it to the price here, and then you'll have a greater insight about what's happening. Order flow charts allow traders to visualize market strength and weakness, dissect supply and demand in real time, and then respond immediately to changes. Traditional bar charts cannot reveal the intensity or psychology behind the market moves, but order flow gives you a lot of insightful information that would help you in your trading career. So, thank you for your time watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll be talking about why you should choose order flow, and then we'll be doing 2 videos daily from Monday till Friday. So please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for your attention to this video. And yes, I'll be here, as I said, 2 videos per day. So I hope this is gonna be so helpful and so insightful to all of you guys, because this is a great way to trade, because it's going to help you improve a lot and not just keep wasting money on trading. So please let me know again if you have any questions in the comment section. Please like the video and subscribe, and have a good day.